Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easily it is that you can apply for National Pension Commission Employers Code from the comfort of your home. It doesn't matter where you are, as far as you have a laptop that you can access Microsoft Word, it's as easy as ABCD for you to apply for your National Pension Commission Employers Code. So if you are joining us for the very first time, kindly do me a very huge favor, which is a very important favor that I need from you, by subscribing to this channel. Also like this video, share it with your loved ones. If you have anyone that may be interested in knowing how to apply for PENCOM Employers Code, I would recommend that you share this video with them so that they also know how to go about the application. Now, in this guide on how to apply for this National Pension Commission, it involves just 3 simple steps. Now, you don't really need to maybe basically say you want to go to your PFA, or you don't have to print all forms of physical certificate, physical documents to the PENCOM office in your area. All you can do within a very short period of time, within a twinkle of an eye with your laptop, you can easily, or with even your phone, though you need a laptop to prepare the application and some of the attachments that you need to attach to the document. But with your phone, you can also send an email. It is an email you are sending to National Pension Commission for your employer school. I'm also encouraging you that for if you already have the PENCOM employer school and you want to apply for the online application for the compliance certificate, kindly check on the description box, where I'm going to drop a video on a complete guide on how to apply for your National Pension Commission certificate. Everything has been digitalized, it's all online. So let's go. We're going to continue from for the application. Now, as you can see from the screen here, we have a complete application letter displaying the letterhead beneath the text. We embed it there, and then I am going to take you through all this application process, assuming you have never done this before, on how you can actually get this done. Now, if you check from the top, what we have the date of application, followed by the address. That's the person we are addressing the letter to, which is the director, which is the director general, followed by the subject of the letter application for employers code. Please, I want you to pay close attention to what we are about to do now. Now, you see from this section here, where the mouse is actually showing, where I'm highlighting like this. This is the section where you indicate your either RC number for limited liability companies, or the business name registration number, which is the BN number. So, and then followed by that is after that we have the TIN number, the tax identification number, the one that was issued to you when you are registering the company. And if it's an old company, you can get it from your tax certificate or your value added. That's your tax certificate that looks like this on the screen, or your value added certificate that also looks like what you are seeing there on the screen. After that, then you input your email address. So come with me as we go about doing that step by step. So we start by the registration number, which is 835-7157, and then we are going to bolden it, increase it, followed by the tax identification number. So I'm going to, like when the company was registered, the tax certificate, we generated the TIN number from the CAC website, and that is it. And in case you don't know, maybe you want to register a company, you don't know how to do that, I'm also dropping a video on how you can register your company by yourself without the help of anybody. Something that everybody can do by him or herself. So, and then followed by the email address, which is our email address is ATUNG-STRATEDGE, ATUNG, which stands for consulting in German, at gmail.com. So after you input all this information, what you need to do next is to attach, just as you see on this paragraph here, which we said kindly find attached here with our CAC certificate and TIN. Now, the CAC certificate is this certificate that was issued to you during the registration, this very one here, whether the new one or the old one, and the tax identification, the TIN number is you can either use your tax clearance certificate or your value added tax certificate that was issued to you by FIRS. But mind you, whatever you are attaching has to be a document that came from FIRS. That's FIRS stands for Federal Inland Revenue Service. If you're in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and attach. Okay, since I'm the one authorizing this application, my name is Gabriel Douglas Atung. I'm the sole proprietor, managing director, whatever I call it. So now we are going to move ahead with the application, and we're going to add other documents. Just like I stated here, I said we are attaching the CAC certificate
and the tax clearance certificate, the tax identification number. So for the CSC certificate, I am importing this into the Word document. Now, I'm advising you, in case you do not have, if you don't have any of the editable PDF applications, you can actually do this by converting your certificate of incorporation to a picture and then you import it so that it will be easier for you to publish every document to PDF at the end of the application for the submission to be easier for you. Mind you, it's advisable that the application, after you prepare everything, you submit it as a PDF file, one single file. Don't go to say, okay, I want to first submit the application letter first before I submit the CAC certificate, before I submit the tax clearance certificate or the value added tax certificate. So you can make it easier like this by bringing all these documents together. After everything, then you save it. Whatever name you are saving, you save it. Then at the end of it, you then publish it to PDF. You can either publish it to PDF like this or you save it as PDF. Let's say you are saving it as PDF. You find the portable document format PDF on your system in case you don't have your Microsoft application is not the current one, it's not the same with the one I'm using. You save it as a PDF file. So at the end of it, this is the section for the preparation of the application document. After then you submit it to PENCOM. So I'm going to take you to the next section, which is the submission section. Now this is another category which I would advise you to pay close attention to, because failure to write anything correctly here can lead to your application not reaching out to PENCOM as it should be. So for the email address, it's written boldly on the screen. This is the email you are sending the application to. After you prepare all the document, you send it to this email, and this email is employer code _ request at pencom.gov.ng. Okay, you write the subject of your email application. You can write your company's name first. Let's say ATUNG-STRATEDGE, the ATUNG application for Employers Code. Then you say kindly find attached here with kindly, or you can say please find attached to this mail our application for Employers Code. We look forward to your response. Very simple, something like this. Thank you. Thank you. Then you attach the email. So for you to attach your email, you come to this section here that you are seeing circled. Then after you click it now, then you go to find the location of that document and make sure you save the document with a name that you are definitely going to remember. So after you select the document, then you click open. It will load. After the document load and it shows you that yes, this document is ready for sending. As you see now, it's indicating blue, which means it's good to go, and you just click send. So you have sent your document, your application is successful. Now you wait for PENCOM to respond to your application, which usually takes 3 business working days minimum, and maybe maximum 5 working days. So whenever after everything you finish your application, you send it, then you wait for their response. While you do that, after the Employers Code comes out, the next thing you have to do is to apply for the online application, to apply for the certificate online. And luckily for you, I have a full guide video on how you can do that for new beginners, or even for someone who already have been applying for PENCOM certificate and do not know how to apply it online by themselves. Some people may have to resolve into paying other people to make that application for them. So you can look at it now. Okay, we can actually help. So we created a video, and the video, you can check the description box beneath this video. You find the complete link on how to apply for your PENCOM online certificate by yourself. It's a very easy video. So kindly do us a favor by subscribing into our channel. So like and share this video, and we hope to see you again in our next video. Thank you and goodbye for now.